RAD Studio has a number of toolchain improvements. We support the new notarization process that Apple introduced with Xcode 14. You can now timestamp MSIX files when building from within the IDE, and we support an automatic version suffix in C++ Builder. This is a very useful feature when upgrading packages and libraries, in that it's normal to name packages with the version of Delphi or C++ Builder they're for, to ensure the right one is used by your apps or installed into the IDE. But in the past, when upgrading projects, you had to manually update the version suffix in the project file. Now it can automatically reflect the version of RAD Studio you're using, which helps speed up the upgrade process. Delphi already supported this, and now C++ Builder does too. Next, debuggers. We have a new LLDB-based debugger for macOS Intel and Android 32-bit. This is part of our transition to LLDB. We've spoken about this over the past couple of years in these webinars. Several years ago, we had about 8 different debuggers across the various platforms and businesses we supported. It made feature parity difficult, and meant quality fixes often only applied to a single platform. We've worked to add Delphi front-end support to LLDB, which is one of the world's best debuggers, and is part of us leveraging the LLVM ecosystem. And we've been moving to use a single debugger or a recent version of LLDB across all our platforms. This means, with some minor caveats around some things including debug info format and so forth, we can write a feature or solve a bug once and have it apply across all platforms, which is a major advantage for quality and productivity for you. And as of RAD Studio 11.3, we now use the same debugger for every non-Windows platform, including C++ and Delphi languages, across macOS, iOS, Android and Linux as the various languages support them, plus Windows 64-bit for C++. Having a single debugger for every non-Windows platform across both the Delphi and C++ languages is a major milestone, and should really help the consistency of the experience of using those platforms.